Frustrated by the Updater Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. To start fixing Updater Library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Updater Library, frequently associated with the background update agents of third-party software, like Adobe or specialized gaming launchers. It manages the localized checksum verification and file replacement threads. If missing, the parent software will report update check failed or will be unable to apply security patches, potentially leaving the app in an unstable state. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. If your software is failing because of Updater Library DLL, the internal file mapping for localized update orchestration is likely corrupted. So reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Updater Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Updater Library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Updater Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Updater Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.